Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about how to negotiate your salary after getting a job offer. Many people never negotiate, but doing so can significantly increase your lifetime earnings. Before your interview, know your minimum acceptable salary, your target salary, and the key skills and value you bring to the company. Research typical salaries so you're confident when discussing pay. Once you receive an offer, thank the employer and politely ask if there's room to discuss the compensation package. Briefly explain your qualifications and provide a reasonable salary range instead of a single number. If the company can't increase the salary, ask about other benefits like a signing bonus, extra vacation days, better benefits, or a salary review after 6 months based on your performance. The key to successful salary negotiation is preparation, clear communication, and flexibility. Don't be afraid to ask, you've already earned the job offer, and negotiating professionally is a normal part of the hiring process. Thanks for watching.